This is my house outlet. This is old house. There is basically two-prong, no grounded this outlet. So I wanna show you how to replace with GFCI outlet. Basically this make you grounded. Alright, so let me change this old style outlet. So you need to find out which is the hot line and which is a neutral. I will introduce you on a good tool. Is this electric test kit. Alright, this is the electric test kit. This is very useful. This is hot side. This is the neutral side. This is a hot line. This is the neutral side. So when you're working on the electricity, basically make sure your main circuit breaker is off. Basically that rule is number 4. Number 4. I think this is number 4. What is one? This is the switch is correct switch. That circuit breaker switch is correct. So let me see. I see this is a copper wire is basically additional extension wire including, so I can install GFCI probably. Alright. So my room basically all the outlet circuit break switch is different. All the electric come from different direction. So need to make sure. Let me make sure I turn up the one of the main circuit breaker. So basically this was hot line, no more beeping. LED light, no more beeping. Alright. So basically this has connected with that which I turn up the circuit breaker. So let's work on this one first. So this was a 2 is hot line, this is a neutral. Look at this, all the style wire looks like this a little wider, and this is black. Usually it's black is hot line and white is neutral line. So this is what old house. Alright, this is hot, this is neutral. So to install this GFCI this outlet, I gotta find out which one is the main hot line source. Then I can install first what hot wire here, this side. So here, this one I gotta install at the here. And the bottom, this taped line place is additional line for the additional line. This is the for the main source. So I gotta switch back circuit breaker, switch back. I gotta find out which is the main hot line. Alright, check it out. So I back on the circuit breaker switch. So need to find out which is main hot line. Here you go. This one. This one? No. This one is basically extension line. This is neutral, same as. This is the main hot source. Alright. So when you look at in the back, you can see the where line comes, so you can see the neutral, main neutral also. Looks like that one going to the attic. I see. This bottom one is main, hot line and neutral. So now time to turn off the main circuit breaker switch and install. That's it. So when you install this outlet, always this ground is bottom. Ground hole should be bottom, like this. Alright, not like this, like this. And it looks like hot wire side is a smaller hole. Hot wire side is a smaller. Bigger is white line, neutral line. Got it. So let me cut. Let's go. And this is the main neutral. Alright. Additional line. There's this. Make sure tighter. Make sure wire is not coming out. This is minus side, neutral. This is neutral side. Got it. I think got it. So let's push it in now. Just match up the line. Wow, look at this. I gotta break some. Very tight. I gotta break some board. This is old house. This is the old house. This is my old house. Alright. I think good enough. Push it. Put it in. Put it in. Just in. That's it. So now, moment of truth. my circuit breaker switch back on. So moment of truth. There is a light indicator. Now it's off because GFCI switch is off. So let's push and light is back on, this green light. And to test you need another tool. This is the tool. You can see the correct wiring or not. So you plug in, there's two orange light is on. That means correct, two orange light. If orange and red light on, back hot and neutral reversed. Alright. This is great. To repair this, exchange your old outlet to work on the electricity, you need definitely this tool. Very useful tool, and you can easy to figure out what to do. Alright, this is it. That's it. Very easy. I'm the beginner, so I think also you can do it, but just be cautious. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your home renovation. What a beauty.